Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable call waiting on your Google Pixel phone. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the phone app to open it. This is the app you normally use to make and receive calls on your Pixel device. Once the app opens, look at the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and tap on that icon to reveal the menu options. From the menu that appears, locate and tap on Settings. This will take you to the configuration area where you can adjust various call-related features and preferences for your phone app. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll see several options listed. Look for the one labeled Calls and tap on it. This section contains all the settings related to how your phone handles incoming and outgoing calls, giving you control over your calling experience. Now scroll through the Calls menu until you find additional settings. Tap on this option to access more advanced calling features. This is where you'll find options that aren't part of the basic call settings, including call waiting functionality. After tapping additional settings, you'll see call waiting appear in the list. This feature is essential because it allows you to receive a second incoming call while you're already on another call instead of having it go straight to voicemail. It gives you the flexibility to decide whether to answer, ignore, or switch between calls. To enable call waiting, simply tap the toggle button beside it. Once you tap it, the toggle will switch to the on position and call waiting will be activated on your device. This means from now on, you'll be notified whenever someone tries to call you while you're already on a call. And that's it. You've now enabled call waiting on your Google Pixel phone, giving you more control over managing multiple incoming calls. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.